Hey you, it's Jess here, and we are going to go through my August kit lineup because it's right around the corner. So first of all, I'm using this monthly, which you'll see next week, Beach Club from Caress Press. Just a fun, bright end of summer monthly. So just keep those on the side. But for the first week, we're doing July 31st to August 6th. Of course, I included this in August because that's one day in July. But this week is actually the week of Vloggenized anniversary on August 6th. And I can't remember. 1 second. Real bad, I had to go and look at last year's monthly to see what numbers. But we've been together for 17 years on this anniversary, which is so long since 2006 we've been together. So I'm using the star-crossed that I did for Valentine's, but I included happy anniversary elements as well, and I just love the Romeo and Juliet vibes. I try to do some vibes from the movie by Baz Luhrmann, so you got like the angel wings and little cherubs and things like that. But yeah, so I've been waiting since this came out before Feb to use this, but this is everything. So I did buy this one so I could use the happy anniversary box. So excited for that. And then I just have a few different ones here because I did love the blonde girl. We'll see how it goes. I have a lot of boxes to choose from. But yeah, you guys probably have seen this a few times. I don't know. Oh, there's so many boxes I want to use in this kit, but it's just a beautiful monotone kind of pink set, very romantic for anniversary. And I'm going to pair this with the Caress Press Celestial bundle in her like this champagne lights. And I used this in April, but I think April through August is like a good enough distance because I thought this would be perfect for it because you have the constellations, the stars and the moons, and of course a big part of Romeo and Juliet is the stars, which in Shakespeare time stars were symbolic of destiny. So this is why he says, I defy you stars. But yeah, so I thought that'd be perfect to go with this set, and because there's constellations and things in here. And I love the champagne lights just to make it a bit more oomph. So that is for the first week of August, for August 6th. Then August 7th through the 13th, we're going to start dwindling down on our summer, but it should still be warm-ish here. So this one's a very simple week. We're just going to highlight the beautiful art. This is Splash, and Melissa she just kills it every summer. So you would have seen this recently in my sticker haul, but here it is. Super excited. I had to include it in this year's summer lineup because it's so pretty and fun. So show you all of those, and I'm just going to pair it with holo. I don't really have any it's like summer themed holo stuff, so I'm just going to use one of the newer confetti bundles, and we'll let the art shine instead. But I think holo will look really pretty and clean with this. So very, very simple, no quote boxes or anything, but look at it, so pretty. So then this will be my last like proper summer spread for the year, August 14th to the 20th. Then we're going to do some anytime and then lead into autumn in September. But I don't have any foil to show you this, and I don't know if I'm going to have foil it in time for this week. So this might be one I plan and film later on and just catch you up with later. But I do want to pair this with Plan With Me stickers. She has some really cute smiley face designs, and she had a purple, it's like a purple tie-dye. I don't remember what other colors are in it, but it's a purple tie-dye. So I thought that would go well with this because it seems like, you know, the sort of cool colors of this sunny days art would look fun with the purple tie-dye and smiley face designs. So that is, I think it's about to be at my box, but I won't be shipping my box until sometime in August, so it may not make it for this week, but I will still film and plan with me later on. I'll just skip this week in my planner, but It's a beautiful set, and I think it's perfect for the end of summer, just with these sort of more cool tones and like the sunset like showing the end of summer kind of thing. So excited for that one, and I think it'll look really pretty with the purple tie-dye foil. And then we lead into my anytime ones that are still sort of bright and colorful before we get into autumn. So this is August 21 to 27. I'm using Moonlight Gamer from Caress Press. It was a toss-up of whether I used Caress Press or Scribble Prints Co, but I decided to use a Caress Press for this time. Just to have a little more variety. And I just have all my bits and pieces in here. And I just feel like, yeah, I'll just do a bunch of gaming this week. That probably will suit the week plans. But yeah, so love these colors. It's all very bright and colorful. Still summery in case it's still warm. But okay, so I hummed and hawed. I went through all of my foils because we've already got hollow in here. And we got the purple tie-dye. And we've already got like a stars and moons kind of theme with star-crossed. So I ended up looking into my fund and I found this blue hollow confetti. And I decided this would probably actually go with this set. You can see here I still wanted sort of that hollow or sparkly shift to make it a bit more magical, because there's a bit of a Sailor Moon theme going on, but I think this blue hollow actually works really well with it. Let me know what you think. We're gonna go blue. I've done pinks and purples so far this year in terms of my fun foils, and then sort of like orangey reddish, and we're gonna do some more purple. Before this I'm like, I haven't done any blue fun foils this year, so let's break her out, let's do a blue. And it's just going to be this straight up confetti again, like highlighting the art, but want to cover it too much, which is why I really love this new confetti, because it's just sort of gives you a little sprinkle of foil. But yeah, I'm going to do blue hollow with that one. We'll see how we go. Because I also looked at I have periwinkle in the stars and moons, but it also had the lilac, and I think both of them would go, but I went for a bit more bright and hollow option. And for the last week of August for this lineup, we have August 28th through the 3rd, and we have Wax Lover from SPC. So obviously this recently came out too. You're seeing basically my whole August sticker, whole July sticker haul here, but I just really wanted to use these right away, and I thought, and then I thought I'd put this one as the last one because the colors are still bright and summery, but they're leading more into the darker, cooler, warmer tones. You know what I mean? I think this will be a good transition with that darker purple and sort of like the way that sort of mauve color goes. I thought that'd be a nice transition. And I'm going to do silver with this, keep it simple again, but I'm going to mix two foil bundles. I have the newer confetti style in silver, but I'm going to mix it with a Caress Press. This is Rainbow Luxe. So, and this is an old bundle style, so I probably won't get, I'll probably use the numbers and the hole reinforcers from here, use the bottom washi, and then I'll use both confetti and this Rainbow Luxe confetti headers, and then just mix everything up. But just every time it comes to Luxe, I don't want to have it too much, you know what I mean? Although this is a pretty dainty design, but because what is it, if I'm going to do toolbox in this, am I? I'm not sure. I don't know, maybe. We will see. I mean, I have toolboxes otherwise to use, but otherwise, I use a lot of boxes, and we can use all these scripts, and yeah, and these are just too small now to use by themselves, so I like to mix them with other foil bundles, because these only came with the 8 boxes back then, so, which obviously she's changed now. But I thought that'd be nice to mix in and have a little bit more of an extra design and not just a confetti, because we have a lot of confetti by itself through this month. So I thought it was silver with a bit of rainbows and a bit of luxe, a bit of confetti would be really pretty with this Wax Lover set. But that is my August lineup. We're still going to be summery and bright, but we're going to be transitioning out into autumn, and it'll probably cool down pretty quickly once September starts here. Oh, that was what I'm gonna do. I think I have a... So I was gonna do hollow for this. I think I might either use Summer Lovin'. This is like, when I have extra full boxes, I just put them in a sticker album and I just look through here if I need anything. But I have this Summer Lovin' quote, and I also have Your Voice was the soundtrack of my summer. And I think out of everything else I have in here, that might be the best two options that I might use. Although representation matters or inclusion matters. We have this beautiful girl here. I don't know. But yeah, so I could use one of those just to add a little bit something to this set. But yeah, that is my August lineup. But let me know if we're twinning at all. Are you still doing full summer in August, or are you going to start switching to every day like me anytime? I feel like the end of spring and the end of summer is a good time to like start do some anytime kits and then start transitioning. But there's still some summer I wanted to do, and it still should be pretty warm through the month here. But yeah, let me know if we're twinning. We're possibly these two kits. I don't know if we'll be twinning anything else. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful month. Let me know what you're using this month. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.